So I just want to make a video spontaneously about how fucked up it is to go through this and also to be like a human being, because this basically pulls out like everything terrible about being a human being and amplifies it by like 100,000. I have this symptom that I think most people have, where it's like in the daytime you're being like tormented, like this horrific emotional and spiritual torture from this like weird force, like God hates you. And anyways, also like really severe like emotion and rage. And today my friend, my healing buddy, who I've been talking to all night, and yeah, she basically got pissed off about something I said and blocked me. And I don't think it's like temporary, so that blows. And then my other healing buddy put a bag over her head and went out that way. She had akathisia really bad. And she was tapering too. And I tried to tell her I had the same thing. I tapered through it too, it's possible, but it's incredibly difficult and torture. So, yeah. And then my third healing buddy, friend, I think she just like moved on from the groups and stuff. Even I think she's still suffering pretty bad, but I think she just doesn't want to like talk to people who are in it or look at the groups or anything like that, which I understand completely. Yeah, I'm going into winter, and so I don't have any friends now. And this is brutal, because that symptoms during the days is so bad. Oh my God. My limbs feel like they're like gone. Like I can't use my limbs. But then I'm like back in the gym and I can lift. I'm still skinny, but I can lift weights. It's the weirdest thing. I tried to dance for like 10 minutes at one point, and I got so dizzy for like 2.5 days. I was like laying in my bed, fucking like the world was spinning, and like my spine was like vibrating. Like I was on like a roller coaster. The world was spinning and I like couldn't walk. It was so bad. But I can lift, which doesn't make any sense. What else can I tell you?